Yes?
Yes, yes.
But if you want to work with ideal people, you won't find any. I haven't found one yet. There are all kinds of mixed bags.
Yes.
But if you are willing that you are not yes and no, yes to one, no to another, you're simply one big yes, you will find a way.
I love that. Thank you so much. That I always say that it's the resistance to life. You have questions?
Since the early 20th century, physicists have been, like Max Planck and Einstein and any number of physicists have been positing that consciousness is causative of physical reality. That consciousness comes first before physical reality has been manifested.